Hello, this is Amina and welcome to SW News English. As we have almost reached the polling dates, the suspense over Rahul Gandhi's candidature from Amethi seat is still a bigger question. Will he be contesting against BJP's Smriti Irani from Amethi, something which the public and even the BJP wants to know? Today, Rahul Gandhi had his joint press briefing with India Bloc leader and Samajwadi Party chief Supremo Akhilesh Yadav. Upon being questioned about contesting from Amethi or Rai Bareli seat, Rahul Gandhi responded by saying that this is Bharatiya Janata Party's question. However, Rahul Gandhi later said that this decision comes in the domain of the party's Central Election Committee CEC. Whatever the CEC decides, he will abide by that. Congress has till now not declared their candidate from Amethi and Rai Bareli seat. Both the seats go for polling on 20th May. Both Amethi and Rai Bareli are Congress's strongholds. Meanwhile, Rahul Gandhi has been re-nominated from Wayanad seat in Kerala, which goes for polling on 26 April. On the other hand, today Rahul Gandhi has made prediction for the BJP. Rahul Gandhi has predicted that the BJP would be limited to just 150 seats. Rahul Gandhi's statement reads, 15 to 20 days ago, I was thinking BJP would win around 180 seats, but now I think that they will win 150 seats. Rahul Gandhi said that the reports which they are getting from every state tells that the Congress is improving and this strong alliance in Uttar Pradesh will perform well. Meanwhile, Rahul Gandhi even attacked the BJP and the RSS. He accused the BJP and RSS of destroying the constitution and democratic system. Further, talking about PM Modi's recent interview with the ANI, Rahul Gandhi called the interview as scripted and a flop show. Now, this was a small brief on what Rahul Gandhi said during a joint press meet with Akhilesh Yadav. After this press brief, the more suspense over Amethi seat is built. Congress has still not declared their candidate from Amethi seat. Point to note here, just yesterday, Rahul Gandhi's brother-in-law, Robert Vadra, had said that people of Amethi want him to contest from Amethi. He said that a demand for him to represent Amethi seat is coming from different corners of the country. This statement from Robert Vadra further adds to suspense over Amethi seat candidate for Congress party. What is causing this delay for Congress to declare their candidate from Amethi? Is this suspense over Amethi seat troubling the Bharatiya Janata Party and especially Smriti Irani? If Rahul Gandhi is fielded from Amethi, then will he be able to defeat Smriti Irani? Or if Congress fields Robert Vadra, will he be impactful enough to defeat Smriti Irani? If not Amethi seat, then can Congress field Robert Vadra from Rai Bareli seat? Do let us know what you think about Congress's candidate from Amethi. Well, that's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching SW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates. Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.